It's Friday, June 27th. In the headlines, the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERA, responds to a reported increase in neonatal deaths at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. In business news, it's World Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Day. Regionally, in Barbados, Carifesta 15 to exceed expectations. And in sports, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Sharika Jackson and Tina Clayton set to blaze the tracks at the 2025 Jamaican National Athletics Championships. This is the weekend news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.